Get your polygel ready. I'm going to show you how to do the easiest, laziest ombre possible. Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into the video. So we're going to start by prepping the nails. I'm pushing back the cuticles. Now, guys, believe it or not, this video is actually for Muff. Muff wants to know how to do nails. So you guys remember when I had to force her to let me do her nails? Now she's like, Ma, show me how to do these nails. I'm like, okay, I've been waiting for this moment all my life. So once we remove the shine from our natural nail plate, then we do the same thing for the inside of the nail tip. I even had her size her own nails, okay? I had her size them. So if they fit, great. And if they don't, well, I guess that's a lesson that she learned, like 101. Size the nail tips correctly. And I didn't even check before I started recording the video. So yeah, I was like going on like faith here that Muff knew how to size her own nails. So I removed the dust from her nails with the dust brush. And then I just sprayed on some alcohol and acetone. That's going to help remove the dust and it's going to help dehydrate her nails as well. So after her nails were dried, I'm just going in with some primer. Any primer will work. If you're having problems with lifting, then maybe you want to try an acidic primer versus a non-acidic primer. You know, see which one works better with your pH and your nail type and things like that. And also try a dehydrator if you're not using one already. Throw that in the mix and see if that helps with your lifting problems. So after the dehydrator is dried and the primer is dried, we're going in with some base coat. So just apply a very thin layer of base coat and cure that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. So while her nails are in the lamp curing, I'm going to fill up the nail tips with the polygel. So remember, this is the lazy ombre. So I'm calling it that because I'm using the lazy girl method and I'm applying the nail tips with that. So I've never done the lazy girl method before. Like this is literally my first time. And I was like, oh my God, Muff is watching. She wants to learn how to do nails. Why am I doing something I have never done before? But I just got the confidence like, girl, you got this. You got this. So yes, this is part of the lazy ombre. Shout out to you, Femi Beauty, for coming up with the lazy girl method to do nails. That is genius. And I have never ever done this. Like this is my first time. So imagine me trying to teach Muff how to do nails and I choose a method that I have never done before, but it just seemed so simple. I was like, I got this. I got this. So we're going to piggyback off of the lazy girl method. Fill up the nail tip with the base color of your ombre. So for us, we're doing nude and brown. So I filled the nail tips up with all of the nude color, went ahead and cured that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. And now I'm just cutting them down. You know, we did not think they were going to be this long, but once they were actually on, we were like, oh, heck no. So yeah, go ahead and cut them down to whatever shape you need. Now underneath will be very sticky because polygel, when it cures, is very sticky. So I'm just spraying that same dehydrator spray that I used in the beginning of the video to prep. I'm using that same thing to just remove that sticky, tacky inhibition layer that the polygel leaves. Now, once you remove that sticky inhibition layer, you are rocking and rolling. These nails look amazing. They look so nice. We don't even need to do anything extra, right? Like anything extra is just that, extra, because these would make like a beautiful nude set of nails. But here we go. So because we're applying polish for our ombre, I am just removing the shine, because if you leave the shine there and apply polish to a shiny surface, especially gel polish, it's going to just peel right off. It's going to be annoying. So yeah, make sure you remove the shine. Now underneath of your nails might be a little uneven. If that's the case, just use your e-file and just get right in there and smooth it out. And listen, honey, you are good to go. This was amazing. I was so nervous because I've never done this before. I've had requests, you know, you guys have asked me to do it and I was just like, no, you know, I don't think, but yeah, I did it and look at me now. Okay. Now here is the ombre part. So the first thing you're going to do is apply base coat to the tip of the nail because we already have the base color there. So we just need something clear. I'm using base coat. You could use top coat if you wanted. right? So we're going to apply that to the tip of the nail. And then at the base of the nail, we're going in with whatever color you want. She wanted brown, so I applied brown to the other portion of the nail, okay? So half the nail has the base coat. The other half of the nail just has the color. Then we're going to take our fan brush and we're going to blend that in. So light like feathery strokes throughout the nail. And you just want to concentrate it right in the middle so you could get that nice ombre. That, my friends, is, hello. So simple. Like anybody could do that, right? So once you've mastered the lazy girl method of applying your nails with the polygel, honey, all you gotta do is mix in that base coat and your favorite color, whip that thing together in the middle with a fan brush, and you have a beautiful ombre that you could do in like 10 minutes. Like that is the easiest, laziest ombre. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Now we're going to jazz it up with some bling here because, why not, right? We're going to jazz it up with some bling. And then she wanted me to write her name. I did not have the right brush to write her name. Listen, I did the best that I could, okay? So on one hand, she has Jaden, and then on the other hand, I wrote Muff, okay? Didn't have the right brush to write it, but at the end of the day, she was happy and she did pretty good at sizing her own nails. So shout out to you, Muff. Shout out to you. So yeah, shout out to you for that. And then shout out for me because I feel like I totally rocked this lazy girl method for the first time. Like, yo, pat on the back to me. So yes, after the nails are done, you want to go in with cuticle oil. So I'm just applying a little bit of cuticle oil to her cuticle area, hyponychium as well as eponychium, so above the nails and below as well. Then I'll show you guys what it looks like in just a moment, but please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video so that I can continue to grow, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this method of doing an ombre. I think, oh my God, I love it. I love it. I love it. The nails are so nice and even. Oh, they were just so pretty. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you next time. Bye.